Hey Stitchy Muses and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian and today we are making the Nicole panties, but with a little twist. One of you sent me a photo of your absolute favorite underwear and asked me if I could recreate them using my Nicole pattern. Challenge accepted. This is the Nicole Jersey Lace version, jersey on top, lace on the bottom, and honestly, this might be my new favorite combo. Drop me a comment below if you want me to do more subscriber requests like this one. Now let's jump right in. I wanted to show you the reference, but to respect her privacy, I asked AI to put it on a model. The lace you can see here at the front is actually the back panel of the panties, and the AI moved it to the front. So don't worry, the front will look like a little different and I will show you exactly how it turns out. Now looking at the picture, I think I need to add a few centimeters to the waistline to make it like more high-waisted. So I am adding 2 centimeters to the waistline. In the front and also at the back. You can take a second pattern and let it help you with the line a bit, so it's quite easier to make the new one. Very clever, I know. Now we can mark the dividing line. The jersey piece seems to be a little wider at the center front, so I am making 6 centimeters at the center front and 4 centimeters at the back. Yeah, and also side. So I think it could be something like this. Yeah. And also this is not the best tool you can use for the panties, but we can try. And cut the pieces separately, one piece for the lace and the second one for the jersey. And I'm using the original Nicole Panties crotch piece, so I'm not changing anything. And I need to add a seam allowance to both pieces at the seam where we will sew them together. It's 6 millimeters. Now we can add the seam allowance here. Perfect. And on the second piece as well, I'm still adding 6 millimeters. I can just copy the line from the first pattern piece. Okay, perfect. So this one is the cotton jersey and this second one is for the lace. This will be the center front. And one more thing, I'm cutting the jersey piece on the fold, so the seam will only be at the back. That means I need to remove the seam allowance from the center front. So we will remove 6 millimeters from the center front, and then we can cut the pieces and sew them together, and we will see how it turned out. Now, looking at the picture again, you can see the center front lace comes to a point and sits on top, so the crotch is underneath, not sewn together like in the classic Nicole. We can try this version next time. If you like to, tell me in the comments below. But today we are making the more classic Nicole panties. Now take your materials. I think you are totally okay with 1 meter by 15 centimeters of your cotton jersey and about 1.5 meters of your lace. We can cut the cotton jersey first. So I fold the fabric and place the cotton jersey piece. Oh, it's more than, wow! Whoa! It's not what I expected. Well, it's more than 15 centimeters because it's like 24 or something like that, and I don't have enough, or I have, yeah, we will try it from this one. Okay, I will cut it like this. Oh, where's my rotary cutter? Right here. Oh, right here. So I'm cutting the cotton jersey piece first. Then we can cut the lace pieces. And so I'm placing the pattern piece along the decorative lace edge and cutting one. No. Then flip this piece onto the second side of the lace, or the second edge, and cut a second mirrored piece. Cut one crotch piece from your lace. And one from the cotton jersey or the lining fabric you are using. Now we can place the crotch pieces right sides together and pin both layers. And stitch the longer edges. Then place your lace pieces right sides together and pin and sew the center front seam. Then mark a center of your cotton jersey piece. Align the center front of this piece with the lace one. And pin and sew the whole seam. and we can sew the layers together. Then turn the crotch piece to the right side and join it with the panties. And sew the crotch seam. And we can finish the waistline. You can use fold over elastic or pico elastic or maybe a fabric band. I'm using the pico elastic today and a zigzag stitch. Then pin and sew the center back seam right sides together. And as always, I recommend to baste the elastics together so they won't move when we sew them on the machine. And the back crotch piece as well. Remove the basting stitches and lock or backstitch all seams with a straight stitch. You can also stitch the center back seam to one side. And our quite different Nicole panties are done. Let me know in the comments if you like to try the second version or Nella version, and if you like this one.